Welcome to the Savit Medical Library. To get to the online case files collection, select the Databases link from the library's homepage, and then select the Case Files collection. This resource is produced by McGraw-Hill Medical and is based on 23 separate case files books. Each collection contains between 30 and 60 cases. We can scroll across to see the different collections, or we can use the menu bar to make selections. I'm going to select Basic Science Cases, and from here I'm going to select the Physiology collection. We see the cases by title of case, but we can change the view to case number. So you may assign or be assigned cases by the number of the case. I'm going to select case 16. This is the case of a 24-year-old woman who delivers prematurely at 27 weeks. The baby shows signs of hypoxia and is intubated and given surfactant. The hypoxia resolves and the baby is transferred to the NICU. Below the case are 3 questions related to the case. There is an interactive option for these cases, but you do need to set up your own account under the library's license. This can be set up by using the link below the cases or by selecting the gray button at the top. If you haven't already created a login, you can do so by clicking on the blue Create button. Or if you have a login, you can go ahead and enter it. Once logged in, you can see that the answers to the questions can be entered. You can save your answers and you can show the correct answers. Showing the answers also gives an explanation. At the top of the case, we will go to the Approach section. This section provides very detailed information related to the case. Careful reading of the Approach section should assist you in answering the comprehension questions at the end. Let's now look at Physiology Pearls. This provides concise points to remember related to the topic of the case. And there are references about the case. And finally, there are comprehension questions. You need to be logged in to your own account in order to see the comprehension questions. There are generally between 3 and 6 multiple choice questions for each case. I'm going to quickly answer the questions. I see that I've scored 33%, answering only one question correctly. Each question is listed showing the correct answer and your answer. There is then an explanation about that particular question and answer, along with the percentage of users who answered it correctly. That's the percentage of all case files users, not just UNR Med. I'm going to scroll to the top of the screen and select Clinical Rotation Cases. This provides clinical rotation cases across specialties from anesthesiology to surgery. I'm going to select Pediatrics. Notice the table of contents on the left side. There is a section called How to Approach Clinical Problems. A similar section appears in each case collection. This section provides useful information about cases and patients within this specialty. The list of cases defaults to showing cases by topic. You can see that some topics on my screen are green with a check mark, some are purple, and the rest are blue. The green cases are ones I have completed, the purple cases are ones I have started, and the blue are the ones not yet viewed. To see everything that I have done, I can click on My Case History from the main menu bar. This shows all of the cases I have either completed or started across all of the collections. Notice that there's also an option on the menu bar for postgraduate cases. This includes case collections covering gynecologic surgery, orthopedic surgery, and high-risk obstetrics. All cases across all collections use the same format. This concludes the tutorial on the Case Files collection. If you have questions, please contact us at savit@med.unr.edu.